So I'm getting ready to drill the hole for my waste pump out deck fitting. I'm going to match the distance out with my water intake, which is 7.5 inches. And I know below deck 6 inches is what I want to be from this chain plate. So that's going to be the spot. I've measured several times, and hopefully I only have to do this once. I'm going to get my setup and drill a hole in my boat. There we have it. Nice and snug. Now I'm going to hollow out these edges, fill it full of thickened epoxy so that it seals the core. There we go. The beauty of Alberg 30 and old sailboats is there's no core. So I don't have to seal this with epoxy now. It's solid fiberglass. So I'll just get my marine sealant and get my marine sealant, and I can tighten it up. I'm very excited. I just hooked up the last of the plumbing out for the head. I still need to get a new hose that brings the seawater into the toilet, but everything else is hooked up. Super stoked. It was kind of a long process. I'll show you what it looks like. So here we have it. I still have to build in the cabinetry, but very complex system of whatnots. It'll pump from there, go up to the anti-siphon valve, through one Y valve, and it can be directed back down straight out of the seacock for when you're out at sea. Or you switch it that way, and it pumps into the holding tank. And then out of the holding tank, I have a Y valve that you can either go switch it this way for a pump out, or you switch it this way and it goes to the macerator pump, and then the macerator pump goes to this Y valve and sends it overboard. Sends it from there to there. So, very stoked. Today I put in the vent hose on the outside there, and I got it kinked up like that so that if I'm heeled over and water comes in, it most likely will go back out and not much should come into the holding tank. Got my pump out all sealed up today, and now I'm ready just to build my cabinetry. So very excited about that progress. Yeah, I just got to cut the wood for the cabinetry. I already have it measured out, and the marine ply for it and stuff. So get that done and all installed, and then I can move on to my temporary chart table setup and the various other things I got to do before my trip, which is in 3 weeks. So yeah, that's that for the head, and after all the cabinetry is done and everything, I'll show you guys on a later video. So thanks for watching.